What if I told you Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man of the ancient world, left behind 2 words that hold the secret to irresistible attraction? Words hidden in plain sight for over 2,000 years. I'm not talking about tricks or manipulation. I'm talking about timeless wisdom that transforms the way women experience you, not because you pretend, but because you embody something real. Just a few months ago, I was struggling. Good career, decent looks, but women would lose interest after a couple of dates. I knew I was missing something deeper. Then I stumbled across 2 words in meditations, and everything shifted. Almost overnight, women began responding differently. They'd text me first. They'd rearrange plans to see me. They'd tell me, "There's something different about you." And it wasn't because I changed into someone else. It was because I finally understood what true masculine attraction is. Those 2 words. Inner citadel. Here's why they matter. The word inner represents the most magnetic quality a man can possess. Complete self-mastery and internal validation. The Stoics taught that your worth cannot rest on money, status, looks, or even the approval of others. It must come from within, from an unshakable core. Most men chase women with external displays, but women are constantly sensing something far deeper: your relationship with yourself. Think about it. A man at peace with who he is, who doesn't crave approval, who radiates certainty. His presence is magnetic. He doesn't need to chase because his energy pulls others in. I learned this firsthand when I was dating Sarah. Back then, I was needy, always checking if my jokes landed, analysing her texts, desperate for signs of approval. Without realising it, my neediness was suffocating. But when I began practicing Inner Citadel, everything changed. I stopped looking for validation from her and started living by my values. I no longer needed her to complete me. I was already whole. And suddenly, she was the one pursuing me. She'd say, "You seem so centered, so sure of yourself." That's the power of the inner citadel, a fortress inside you that no circumstance and no person can shake. Self-knowledge, knowing your values, your strengths, and the areas you're still working on. When you understand yourself deeply, you project true confidence because there's no inner conflict, no uncertainty about who you are. Emotional regulation, the ability to manage your inner state no matter what's happening outside. Women are naturally drawn to men who stay calm under pressure, who don't get rattled by minor setbacks, who hold their center when life turns chaotic. Internal validation, measuring your worth by your own standards, not by the shifting opinions of others. When you don't need constant reassurance or approval, people relax around you. They sense that they aren't responsible for managing your emotions because you already own them. Purpose-driven living, having a clear direction and a meaning that comes from within. Women are drawn to men with vision, with drive, with a sense of movement. Men who don't wait for permission, but carry determination that isn't dependent on external applause. Marcus Aurelius wrote about strengthening the inner self, and he understood something timeless. External circumstances will always be unpredictable, but your inner state is entirely under your control. Master this, and you become unshakable. Women sense this instantly, in how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you handle challenges, and how you treat others. It's not arrogance, it's not ego, it's quiet confidence born of self-mastery. And here's the truth. The inner work never ends. It's a daily practice, choosing your responses, living by your values, and shaping a character that naturally attracts high-quality people into your life. The second principle, citadel. A citadel is a fortress, unshakable, unconquerable. When applied to your character, it becomes a foundation women cannot resist. Most men are like houses built on sand. Their moods, their confidence, their behaviour, all shift with the winds of circumstance. But the man with an inner citadel, he remains steady. His boundaries are clear, upheld with kindness, but also with firmness. His principles guide him even under pressure, his standards for how he treats others and how he allows himself to be treated never waver. I once saw this principle embodied in a friend of mine, Marcus. Fittingly, yes, named after Marcus Aurelius. And like the Stoic emperor, he built his citadel from within. Marcus was dating a woman who often cancelled plans at the last minute, assuming he'd always be available whenever she changed her mind. The old Marcus would have tolerated it, afraid of losing her. But the new Marcus had built his inner citadel. Calmly, he said, "I understand that life happens, but I need someone who respects our plans. If spending time together isn't a priority for you, then maybe we're not the right fit." Her reaction? She immediately adjusted her behaviour. She began prioritising their time together. Later, she admitted, "Most guys would just complain or get angry. The fact that you set clear standards and actually uphold them makes me want to rise to them." That's the power of the Citadel principle. It works because it reflects qualities women find deeply attractive. Self-respect. Boundaries show you value yourself, and a man who values himself signals he'll value his partner too. Reliability. A citadel is steady and dependable. When principles, not moods, guide your actions, others know they can trust you. Leadership. A citadel protects what matters. When you protect your own values, women trust that you can also protect and provide in a relationship. Selectivity. A citadel opens its gates only for the worthy. Being selective about who you allow into your life makes that access rare and meaningful. The citadel isn't about being rigid. It's about knowing your non-negotiables, those unshakable pillars of honesty, respect, growth, and authenticity, while staying flexible in everything else. That's how Marcus transformed his relationships. By living from his inner citadel, he stopped chasing approval and started commanding respect. These became non-negotiable in all my relationships. If someone couldn't meet these standards, they simply didn't get access to the deeper parts of who I am. That shift in selectivity completely transformed my dating life. Instead of trying to impress every woman I met, I focused only on those who aligned with my values. That confidence alone made me more attractive, because women could sense my attention and affection weren't given cheaply. This is the essence of the inner citadel. It doesn't just guide your choices, it also protects you. When you face rejection, criticism, or challenges, you remain centered, because your worth isn't tied to external validation. That emotional stability is magnetic, because it creates safety for others. Now, here's where it gets powerful. When you combine inner and citadel, you create a rare kind of man, complete within himself, yet strong enough to protect and provide for others. And that speaks directly to the two deepest needs women have in relationships: security and excitement. The inner work creates excitement, depth, complexity, authenticity, things that keep her engaged and curious about you. The citadel creates security, reliability, strength, protection, qualities that make her feel safe enough to open up and be vulnerable. Most men only develop one side. Some work on their inner world but lack strength and boundaries. Others build walls and standards but lack authenticity and depth. The real magic happens when you master both. I experienced this firsthand when I met Emma. Our first conversation lasted 4 hours because I was genuinely curious about her thoughts and experiences. That's the inner work building authentic connection. But when she later tested me, flirting with other men to see my reaction, I stayed calm and simply said, I'm looking for someone who's focused on building something meaningful together. That was the citadel maintaining standards. Later, she told me, you're the first man I've met who was both interesting enough to hold my attention and strong enough to earn my respect. That's the power of the inner citadel. It creates both attraction and respect, excitement and security, depth and strength. Practical application. Building your inner citadel isn't about becoming someone else. It's about uncovering the man you were meant to be. Step 1. Daily inner work. Take time each day for reflection. Understand your values, your motivations, and where your emotions come from. Use meditation or journaling to regulate your inner state. Set goals based on your authentic desires, not the noise of society. Regularly check if your actions align with your principles. Step 2. Establishing your citadel. Define your non-negotiable values. Guard them. Maintain boundaries with kindness, but with firmness. Say no to anything that doesn't honor your standards. And most importantly, have the courage to walk away from what compromises your integrity. Step 3. Integration in relationships. Be genuinely curious about women, but never abandon your core. Share your depth, your complexity, and your growth while protecting your principles. Offer reliability and strength while continuing to evolve. Create safety for others, but never at the cost of your own self-respect. The beauty of this approach? It's sustainable. You're not performing, pretending, or chasing approval. You're simply becoming your truest, strongest self. And that authenticity is what creates lasting attraction. The 2 words that changed everything. Inner citadel. Not because they're some trick to win women over, but because they represent the essence of masculine strength. The inner work makes you interesting, a man with depth, intelligence, and authenticity. The citadel makes you strong, a man with principles, unshakable character, and firm boundaries. Together, they create a man women not only want, but choose to stay with. Someone who brings both excitement and security. Marcus Aurelius knew what modern dating culture has forgotten. True attraction isn't built on techniques, it's built on character. The citadel isn't built in a night, it's the work of a lifetime. But every day you invest in reflection, clarity, and discipline, you become more attractive, not just to women, but to all people who value authenticity. Start today, begin small, reflect, set one boundary. Watch how not only women respond differently, but how you feel differently about yourself. That's the true reward. Because in the end, this isn't about convincing anyone to choose you. It's about becoming the kind of man worth choosing. The citadel awaits. Start building.